Google Maps on Android Auto gets major upgrade of Add Stop button. Google Maps has just revamped the navigation on Android Auto a whole lot easier. The latest beta update, version 12.9, has rolled out a prominent Add Stop button, which aims to make it simpler for the users to change their route on the go. Reportedly, the feature streamlines the process of adding stops that aim to be a hassle-free feature that aims to save users time. Users can see the feature when searching for a location on Google Maps, along with two options, Start or Add Stop. Selecting Add Stop would allow the users to freely change their directions before reaching their destination. This button is conveniently located below the location details, making it easily accessible via the touchscreen. While the Add Stop feature was available, it was a pain to get to. While no more multiple menu navigations required to make use of this feature, that separate button will make it quicker and easier to use. Here are some advantages of the Add Stop button: more convenient route changes, easier navigation, and less distraction while driving. Additionally, explore the enhanced features of Android Automotive 15, including streaming audio to Bluetooth headphones, Wi-Fi hotspot persistence, and customizable app docking for a more intuitive in-vehicle experience. Android Auto has introduced a new Add Stop feature in its v12.9 beta update, making navigation easier. This update allows users to add stops to their route seamlessly,